Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, and today we are going to be trying out a new Physicians Formula foundation. It may not be brand new, but it's new to me. I just got it from Walgreens, I believe. So if that's what you want to see, then let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is pin pin my hair back. It is hot in this room with my light on. And as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows because I'm not really that good at them right now. I'm working on it. Oh wow. I was opening up the Physicians Formula and I didn't know that it was a doe. I was expecting a pump, but that ain't what it is. So I need to find me some primer. Okay, this is what we'll use today. We will use the Juno Co Moonshine Primer. Yeah, Moonshine Miracle Cream. I got this a couple of weeks ago. Ugh, I hate when I get it under my fingernails. It does work pretty good, and it's a hydrating primer, which is always good to have a little bit of extra moisture on the skin. I just hate when I get it in my under. Okay. Let's see. I hope I got the right shade. It might be a little bit too dark, but we'll work with it the best we can. I got some new brushes from Milani. I got these from their site, so I'm gonna be testing these out today. This is their foundation brush. I'm going to put just a little bit more on, just to build it up a little bit more. It does seem to be a full coverage. Let me see what the bottle says. Brightening complex for all skin types. It has 20 SPF in it. It doesn't say, but I'm gonna say it's a medium to full. I could probably build it up and it could be pretty much full coverage, I believe. But that is just my opinion. Okay. Now, for concealer, I have the new Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. Looks like this. There's a button on the bottom that you pump up. I'm not used to concealer pens at all. Definitely something to get used to, I think. I'm going to blend that out with my Juno Co sponge. To be honest, you probably wouldn't even have to sit that concealer down because it's really dry. No, you wouldn't, but I'm going to put a little bit of brightening powder. I'm going to use the Reserve Cabana that you get from like Dollar General or anywhere for my under eyes. for all over the face, I've got the Jouer. This says that it is mineral powder. So we're going to try to use that. I got the shade medium, I think. Yeah, we'll say medium. Okay. For bronzer today, I have the Jouer bronzer. I just got it in the mail just a couple of days ago. I'm going to use the darker shade first and see what it looks like. Ooh, I put too much on. Maybe it's just too dark for my skin. Let's see. Need some. I'm going to see if I can use this Juno Co powder. Okay, and for blush, I also have the Jouer blush. And Adore Me and Hold Me. I'm just using the same brush. And for highlight, I'm going to use, I got the new Milani, well, it ain't new, Quartz Gold, I think is which one am I using? Yeah, I'm going to use the one in the middle from Milani. It is not new. It's been out forever. I just got a new one. Let's see how this highlight really fat fan brush does. Okay. For eyeshadow, I have a couple of different things here. I have the Tarte palette, and I also have another Tarte one. This is the pink one. And that's what it looks like. I think that's the one we'll do today. Let's see. I'm going to start with this color called Paddleboard, right there, in the crease. It's a fairly light shade. I need to deepen that up, so I need a deeper color. Let's see. I also have the Tartelette Tease palette. Yeah, I can use one of these. We're going to use one of these darker colors to darken this up a little bit. Now on the lid, I think we're going to do this shimmer pink right here. I think it's really pretty. Spray my brush. If you're looking for a light, natural look, this is the look to go for today. Because that's exactly what it is. I'm going to take the Milani highlighter and highlight my brow bone. Let's find some eyeliner. I know I've got some around here somewhere. Oh yes, I pull out the KVD eyeliner. And we got to go in with some mascara. And we're just going to put a little bit of Thrive on today. If I can get it out. Because it is my favorite. I haven't found anything better than this just yet. But I'm working on it. Okay. Now for lips. Here it is. This is the Kevin Aquan in the shade Rose Plum. That is the color. And let's put some of this lip gloss on from Milani. And the final thing would be some setting spray. Let me see if I can find some. And everything falls. I've got this IN Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. That's what we're going to use. An extra fine mist. Okay. And that is our look for today. You guys let me know down in the descriptions, in the comments, what y'all think about the look for today. I think the foundation was a pretty good foundation. I just need a little bit more of a tan. The concealer is a little iffy because it's kind of dry, and I'm used to really liquidy concealer, but I'll still use it just to keep using it to see if I like it or not. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and like button, and I will see you on the next one.